Okay. What do we want to do next? How about...
I like you, when you download your apps, you use that. Like if you read those in, using one of those codes. Use it normally, use the
It's a glare.
Yeah.
Becca?
Okay.
This one. That part's a little not done.
Let's look at the loop.
That actually stupid storm.
I know.
Is there even wind out there?
Look at Rochester.
Okay, it's a little bit. Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Gotta get back to work. I guess we can do the bow. Okay. Back. This, you're gonna really wanna barely shade it like that. And then up here, because that's the part that's shining. Like,
Okay.
right.
Is the bottom of it, yeah.
Yeah, because the light is reflecting. Then you're gonna want everything else to be a little bit darker. And I'm just gonna do this because I don't really trust you.
Okay.
Because I mean, you want it to look good.
Yeah, I do.
So.
Okay.
Now the outline is kind of bad, but I can't really do much about that.
So if I want to shape here. There we go.
That was really bright light.
Yeah. Okay, now what do you want to do? Want to work on my bow or not, or what do you want to work on now? In other words, I don't care what.
Looks like you have a bowl haircut because you can't see the light. Okay, that's supposed to be the end of your hair.
Why don't we do the hair next? So that's that, because that's a big part of the.
I'm really bad at hair.
I know, but
I
like
can't-
shading it. In other words.
No, shading, you can't shade it normally like you would clothes. You have to give it texture like hair does.
I know.
Like, you have
I'm
to
gonna
be
do
able
short,
to see the strands.
I mean, like, can I do short strokes to shade it in?
No.
Okay.
Are you drawing or are you talking?
No,
We're drawing.
Get the
yeah,
order.
let us draw. Let us draw.
It did staring contest.
Oh, it's not working.
I'm gonna break away only.
Ah, you did!
Yeah, she threw her hand in my face.
Yeah, because I don't want you steering.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
That was really bright.
Gonna get you guys.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Let's do this shadow part now. So, do it basically like that part and that part.
Okay.
So, there. Oh my god. Well, at least it's windy.
Yeah.
Because if it stops, then we're screwed.
That device.
Well, not necessarily. We're down a hill, so they can't really go into it. So.
And then it downloads.
But still.
This tells it's that. So that's an easy
Okay.
way instead of going.
Well, I kind of messed it up, but I kind of considered it.
Completely ignore my dad.
There you go. I fixed it.
Oh my god.
I want you to
dark.
download apps using your normal.
Okay.
That means
Thank you. Let me be able to see it.
You understand what I'm saying? That's what that's for. That's why I'm buying bought this thing, because we keep complaining about, things are acting goofy on the computer. The best system that we can buy is that
Shane,
works.
get it.
Now, this other gal says, maybe we gotta get that other one, but I mean, that's $100 a crack.
I guess I'll do this.
I understand.
Well, they're just like little tiny.
I know. I'm just seeing where you were.
It doesn't really
All right.
reflect anything. Wait, is that seriously Life Alert?
The commercial, yeah.
I haven't seen Life Alert. Help, I have fallen and I can't get up. Sorry.
Or the one the other commercial, or someone was just happened to be coming home to see her mother, and she couldn't find her, and then she found her in the bathroom,
Bruh.
hearing moaning, help, help,
Bruh.
and then they talked about it. Then
Okay.
that one. Okay. See here.
I'm trying to get the nipples.
Who's drawing?
I'm trying to help, like, because I'm not doing all of it. She did
Okay.
that one and that one and that one and that one and that one
Work
and that one
together,
and that
Ed,
one.
okay? Keep
We
it up.
are, we are.
Yeah.
The weather, if you guys get this thing done, the weather clears up, you can go out and get ice cream.
But it closes at 7. Yeah, Dad, and besides that, it closes at 7, so.
And it's 7:18, so.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise I would.
When you go tomorrow.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah, we have to.
It's for you too.
I know.
You guys can do it. You treat your sister.
I know.
Kinda wish I did the shade too.
See, because I wanted to go to Maggie D's, but it closes at 7 Saturday.
Yeah, I know.
But it does clear up, I still can't do anything about it.
I'm not really sure how to do teeth.
I would
Because
just-
technically they're not white. But.
you could do it as
Because
lightly
even
as-
white objects, like the bow right there, isn't gonna be.
How about we just do it as light as possible without,
Yeah, that's what kind of what we have to do. Is that it?
so I mean like as in.
See that little dot?
Mm-hmm.
That's not specific. That's why you need a fine edge, so you can just
Okay.
easily.
It's raining all week. That's new.
There we go. Is this supposed to be getting really bright and kind of?
What do you mean? I don't know.
Well, it's like really light.
Oh, you mean not in the camera?
No.
Oh,
Not.
I have no idea. Oh, the clouds?
Yes, the sky.
I have no idea.
That's what I was talking about.
Alright, okay. Yeah, I have no idea.
Okay.
Yeah, no. That would have been a good camera view for like others to see. No, I mean, sure, some. Not you, for others. Some. Sorry, I'm not smart, okay?
Clearly. Okay, these little things are the highlights in your eye.
Mm-hmm, yeah.
See how they are there?
Yeah.
Other than that, you can't see pupils.
I know.
I have a feeling those are the pupils because they're holes. They're literally holes in your eye.
Yeah, good point.
Okay. So, okay. No.
I was trying.
For
I
your
can't
eyes, you're going to want to do lines.
Okay.
Dark lines.
Oh yeah, it's that one thing you showed us, isn't it? Like where you showed us.
And you're going to have to turn your paper a lot.
Yeah, probably.
I think you're good enough there. Let's see how that goes.
And they all have to be like around the same
I don't
darkness.
know. I mean, I've done what I can, but
The funny thing is,
your phone should be
in the picture, our eyes look black and you can't see the pupils.
It automatically will update on like checks things every time you go on. Well, I think the Nord.
Oh no, the highlight went away.
If you get an alert from Nord and says this is bad, and you say,
The highlight went away when I did it.
then think twice about downloading it.
Oh.
That's what it's meant for.
The highlight's
Meant to
gone.
help you because, oh, I'm just saying,
It's,
nobody's
it's a
looking
li-
at the other way. That's why
So you basically want to do that, but don't cover the highlight. Whatever you do, don't do what I did. I'm gonna have to fix that with the eraser.
Okay. Then I bought the time was messed up, but it's alright. We'll do.
And we're actually trying that.
His little baby eyes.
Without the stupid everything thing.
I don't know what it means.
Okay.
And you also did the
I look smacked up. It's irritating, but I don't know much about it, so. Please look at it. It's just
They're two different shades. My eyes aren't like that.
No, that's the problem.
My eyes
I
don't
want
look
this
like that.
darker to match yours.
It's not right.
The other one.
Try and really press down harder so it looks the same shade. Otherwise,
That's
it's
what
a
I'm
mess.
trying to do right now.
Those are screwed.
Yeah, kinda. And then I have to do mine too, because mine are brown as well.
And do that to all of your eyes.
There.
Oh, it's creepy. It's so creepy.
What, this side? You mean the right eye?
No, just all of them, really. Because you can't see the pupils.
That one kinda is.
It looks yellowy. I think I got that on camera too.
Okay, so. Oh,
It scared me.
it almost scared me, but didn't.
Stupid face being made.
I know, it almost scared me, but it didn't quite do it. I think we should do
Did you
lips
do
now.
lines all the way around? Because it doesn't
Yeah.
look like you did that.
Hey, Jordy, how about we do the lips now? Because it's kind of like something you're trying. I don't know.
Well, clothes takes the longest, though. That's why I'm trying to do the shading on the clothes first.
I know, I think.
Oh,
Well,
there's
other
something
than
right.
like the actual color itself, I think we got it, and that's why I'm serious to do the lips. It's kind of funny because like we're just sitting here watching the storm while we do our work, and it's kind of like scary. No, all that's happening out there. I know, right?
Go away, storm, go away. Okay, I think. That looks so beautiful. Stupid glare.
I know. No, we can't do anything about it. Really.
I am going to fix this little tiny. Oh, there's a shade. Okay, blend that in. That little area. Basically any shades that weren't blended. Oops.
Oh,
My finger just touched
Where's the show? By the way, that guy?
I'm Chris Wallace. Today, the IRS scandal. How far does it reach?
Actually, I'm gonna